Obuhumbe buri kurenga 240 nabwo municipality yibandira akoreso kusya abaturo buhereza kandi mbaririre gihinguzibwe kanso izuba rya nyamwabazyo
kandi budget ejo ingana biliyoni 40 miliyoni 581 emitwaro 11 kenda rushanjo na shanjo zo sente ezitwije kuba nitukozesa umwaka guri kwija kandi mu department sense harimo imishahara y'abakozi general administration harimo services zo mbantu envuto imihanda entindo harimo
okurugera hambarire zitwire nizihinguzibwa eje yongerweho buhumbe bona kandi cereserwe sente eziri kuzakora project ya USMID.
Turiyo tutandikana project ya USMID ishone thinge increment emwe neheru kwizira abo kuba turiyo kutandika USMID mu financial year eje twaza kutandika kwa mushanjo. So nyina masikongo enguto zeitu emifurege amatara ebiyora nibije kuba worked on obutare cyo kurebera hunka kacibura tax park ruri park hamwe na Soweto market.
Norebera cyangwa there is a big increment on our budget. Akwa omwaka gwe BMPH 2026 na mushanju nomutwinire USMID nomutwinire grants na bweze korgo ministry for example kakaguta tuyonsakora aka chitwe bajeta aha kurugaha muzigiti kuza ahari Kamwenje road mbe from Tamaka to Tamaka so nakwa kaguto tukine nako bateri 1 billion already bateri 200
omukugamba kwa meya Apollo Twine kibehere ayerekero kwesima habwo kutandikaho office za municipality kandi ziri hakombekwa omuri Nyabwishye
kuba this structure I'm sure this financial year ndakwebaza how Department of Works, the engineer and the town clerk, where there is more road in Yofuka City and the Zambiaku and the Jimjo pipeline. I'm sure this financial year, which is in the key room, is a little work and for the syndrome after the Chashaka.
Ahawe nshongeji kanse hingwize kitiso cyo kusima meya ahabwo kukora kurunji.
Speaker sir, I hereby move a motion that this council sitting today 5th May 2026 adopt a resolution in accordance with the laws and rules of local governments that a road be named after Twine Apollo as a sign of appreciation for his dedicated life towards the development of Ivan municipality.
Is that legacy that Honorable Guma is saying that we should name some roads on the name of, rather we should call certain road the name of Twine Apollo Chibehere. Because for the time that they have been here in Ivan, I think he's among the few that have served not long period, just 1 term and a half.
RDC Godfrey Mbetegerize ashikira umukanso y'igikanda shavira bebembezo kwatanisa kurwanisa enkozi z'ibihagaro.
You have a new DPC, you have a new operations commander police, you have a new CID. Yes. And it is not by mistake, it was because of the pressure of the people. Breathing of the people along the streets here.
Gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.